financial markets, you're going to make a damn fortune. When I met Trader X, he was working on a program for binary options, a new financial market that was getting started at about that time. Now, unlike stocks, commodities, forex, or other trades, binary options have a very limited risk. You can start with very little money, and you can start making profits almost immediately, in just minutes in some cases. On the surface, trading binary options is a very simple proposition. Think of it like answering a yes or no question. An example would be like, will the price of Apple be above $106 at 130? Seems simple, right? If you think yes, the price will be higher, you buy a call option. Then, if Apple's higher than $106 when the contract expires at 130, you make a profit. If you think no, the price is going to be lower, you'd purchase a put option, and you'd make a profit if the price was below 106 at 130. A binary option contract can expire in hours and can even be as short as 60 seconds. When you can make a profit in as quick as a minute, and you can do that several times a day, you can get a lot of trades made and make a lot of money. I mentioned that these trades were limited risk. Unlike traditional forms of trading where you can lose money you don't even have, in binary options you're only risking the price of the options. You can't lose any more than that. And that could be as little as $5, $25, all the way to $10,000 if you want. You'd think that with limited risk, with trades being made this fast, and with the only decision to make is yes or no, you'd think people were making money hand over fist in this market. The truth is, though, most traders are getting killed. Some experts say that 99% of binary trades are losers. You're probably thinking, if it's so simple, why are there so many losers? The problem is that there are literally millions of influences that can cause prices to go up or down. Think about it. Wars in the Middle East, elections in the States, a drought in Nebraska, a management shakeup at the corporate level, a new cure for high blood pressure, or whatever. Millions of factors can cause an asset's price to go higher or lower, and no one could keep up with it. Until now. And here's where my buddy Trader X and his new program comes in. Why don't we call it Prove My Profits? This program instantly scans and analyzes billions of bytes of data, does the research, makes a recommendation, even enters the trades for you, if you set it up that way. And then you sit back and let it do what it does better than any human trader ever could. Make you profit after profit, win after win, day after day for weeks at a time. This program has not had a losing trade in months. Here, let me show you what this does and how it's going to make you money. Earlier today for this demonstration, I opened this brand new trading account and deposited $250 to get the trading started. There's the balance up there. You can start with as little as the broker's minimum, in this case it's $250. The more you deposit in the beginning, the higher your early trades can be and the faster the big profits will begin to accumulate in your account. Now I'm going to switch over to Trader X's software and show you how easy it is to get it all started. There again, that's my opening balance, $250. In our system, we have the option making manual trades or setting it to auto trade and letting the program do all the work. And since 99% of all traders aren't making any money doing it themselves, we're going to select auto trade here. If by chance the system does have a losing trade, which is very, very rare, profit protection will have instantly entered an offsetting transaction. The bottom line is, you never lose. And the profit multiplier setting is going to use a portion of your profits from the early trades and automatically reinvest them into larger trades. That way, larger trades quickly equals larger profits. And it's doing it all with your winnings automatically. It's amazing how quickly your account is going to grow too. You're going to love watching that. Once the settings are done, just that quickly, the system goes to work looking for the most probable and profitable trades to make on your behalf. Right now it's researching, analyzing, and weighing the millions of possible factors that could affect the price before it enters into a trade. Did you see how simple that was to get started? Trader X thought of everything for this program. Anyone can use this and make a great deal of money doing it. I'm going to let the Prove My Profit system go on its own for an hour or so. Let's take a look at it later. In the meantime, let's drive to town and grab some lunch. I'll show the rest of my polygraph visit when we're at the restaurant. Trader X's program is amazing. I know the results are going to blow your mind when we take another look at that new account. And I'm not a trader. I know very little about the markets, and I damn sure don't know how to pick stocks or anything like that. If I can use it to make money, you can do the same, and you're going to make a lot of money. I'm helping out Trader X with the marketing for his program, and we're looking for 50 people just like you to compile some data from using the program before it's released to the general public. You simply run the program, the Prove My Profits, and then provide us with the reports documenting your results during the test period. You've already seen how easy that is to do. It won't take hardly any time, and then we'll use those reports to help with our marketing and to make any minor adjustments that may come up during the testing. What's in it for you is, well, you'll like this part. You get to keep all the money you bring in during the testing, and then you get to continue using the program even after the test period has ended. And trust me, you will make a substantial amount of money right away. It starts coming in within minutes, and you'll be able to use the Prove My Profits program to make a lot of money from this day forward. There's nothing to buy, nothing to learn, no contracts to sign or anything of the sort. The only requirements are that you not have any previous trading experience, have access to a PC, mobile or laptop, and make a small $250 deposit into the new trading account. And don't worry about any of that. We'll set you up with that account, and the deposit is just like putting money into your bank account. It's still your money to withdraw anytime you want to, just like it would be in your checking account. The difference is, this is going to be your seed money that's going to explode into a fortune for you. And yes, you are going to make a fortune with Trader X's program. There are some fields on this page for you to fill out to become a Prove My Profits tester. With just 50 openings available, and with this video being viewed by hundreds or even thousands of people right now, you better go ahead and fill in your information on the page right now to get your spot locked in. Here, while we're waiting, why don't I show you how the polygraph test worked out? I had it loaded up on my laptop.
Did you make more than $5 million last year by trading financial assets?
Yes.
Did you make more than $5 million in the prior year trading financial assets?
Yes.
In your prior business enterprises, have you ever been an internet marketer?
Yes.
As an internet marketer, did you ever make more than $5 million in a calendar year?
Yes.
Did you make more than $5 million last year by trading financial assets?
Yes.
As an internet marketer, were you always truthful to prospective customers when selling your products?
No.
As a former internet marketer, do you have a favorable opinion of the current state of internet marketing?
No.
Are you currently marketing what's known as a Autopilot binary trading program?
Yes.
In your current marketing, are you being truthful with prospective customers about this program?
Yes.
The test is concluded. You can relax now.
Okay, that wasn't so bad.
No, they usually go smoothly when the subject is being truthful. And in this case, based on the results from your answers, I can state that you were being truthful when answering each of my questions.
Nice, thank you. And thank you again for having me in today.
You're welcome.
Can I get these things off my hands now?
Sure, go ahead.
When we get back to the house, we'll take a look at how that new trading account is doing, and I'll share some more about what it's like to be a tester for Trader X's program. I think you're in for a real treat. It's been a little over an hour now since we started trading in that new account. There should be some completed trades by now. I think you're going to like this. Now, you've watched me get this started. After I made the $250 deposit into the new account, I set the system to auto trade, profit protection, and profit multiplier. And that was it. Ha! There! I told you that would happen. Take a look for yourself. Check that out. What was that? An hour and 15 minutes with the program running by itself? And take a look at the balance now. Can you see that? Do you see that new balance? We were having lunch and watching videos. We didn't have to do one single thing to get those profits. This system did it all on autopilot. If you decide to become one of our testers, I have no doubt the same thing is going to happen for you too. Oh, and by the way, I can transfer those profits to my bank account and start spending it within just a couple of days. You're going to love that part. If you're still watching this video, that means two things. First, it means that we still have at least one spot left for you to become one of the 50 testers for the Prove My Profit system. Now with only 50 spots, and with probably hundreds of people watching, it's not going to last long. Second, if you're still watching, it tells me that you're at least thinking about doing this, about you becoming one of the testers. Listen, there's no risk. There's nothing to buy, no contracts to enter. You can quit and walk away anytime you'd like. But why would you? You've seen the program in action. I showed you a couple of my bank accounts, the money I've been making with the program. I even went through a polygraph exam to prove to you that this isn't another one of those internet scams. I don't want any money from you. Becoming a Prove My Profits tester is 100% free, and you're literally minutes away from watching life-changing money coming into your trading account completely on autopilot. And it's money that's going to keep coming in because you're going to be able to continue using the program for as long as you want after the test period has completed. Fill in your information on this page right now. Be sure to double check your email address. That's how you're notified of your trades, deposits, and transfers. When your new money's coming in, we want to make sure you know about it. Do not hesitate for a single minute longer. Fill in your information on this page right now, and I'll be back in another video to walk you through the startup steps. There's no cost. There's no risk. You have absolutely nothing to lose by doing this right now. Seriously, you're just minutes away from seeing your first profits. You're minutes away from seeing the first of your new life-changing money coming into your account. Go ahead. Fill in your information on this page right now, and I'll talk to you again in just a couple of minutes.